It's another morning, getting ready to go to the dungeon. I've already called Johnny and woke him up. And I was sitting here, I turned on the TV and watched my favorite show. Are there hornets in the house? Anyway, you need to check out my YouTube channel. Subscribe, give me some thumbs up. Tell me what you think. Make some comments. Anyway, I'm gonna let that run for a little bit, and I'm gonna go grab my coffee and walk down. And I'm gonna walk this morning because I feel like I need the exercise after a week of intense working on the buildings. I still feel like I need some exercise. All right, talk to you later. It's 8 a.m. Already had my coffee. Got myself ready for the day. I had called Johnny, I think it was 7:15 when I called him and said, "See you in an hour, buddy." He was like, okay. Like he just woke up. Of course he had. I called and woke him up. But I'm walking down there, and we're gonna get this done. I'm walking because I parked the U-Haul truck down there, and I didn't want to bring my car down here and have it down here as well. It's not that far. See you when I get there. This is why I like walking. I get to find cool things and pick them up. Look at the size of that thing. I could use that for, I don't know, I think that's like a concrete anchor or something. If I could find about 5 or 6 of these, then I'd have a project for those. That's why I like walking down the road. I find all kinds of crazy stuff. Got a little river here. Whenever I get some time, I'm gonna explore this river. Right now, it's kind of low because we haven't had a whole lot of rain. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna walk the river way back. And I was thinking about taking my metal detector. If I take my metal detector and walk through a lot of that, I might be able to find some of those. What is that critter down there? I just saw a critter run through there. He went under rocks. That was something. Huh. Made it to the truck. Oh my gosh. It's a Ford truck. Anyway, getting in this thing and going for a ride. Oh, come on. For some reason it didn't want to blow out these things. Oh, it feels like it is now. There we go. Perfect. I just had to mess with this little switch here to get it to blow out. Perfect. Aha, air conditioning. Alright, let me get this over to the dungeon. I got the truck parked behind the studio. Behind the studio and behind the door to the dungeon. Alright, I'm doing a quick video. There's Johnny. I'm just kind of scanning the room, showing what we've done. Well, not just what we've got accomplished so far, but what we got left to do. Oh yeah. Got a good bit, but you know what? We're moving fairly quickly, and I think it's going to be done. It's going to be done before you know it. Starting early like this really makes it so that it goes better.
Oh yeah.
Because right by the time, like normally you show up what 12:30 or 1, something like that.
Yeah, I got up there. I had 4 hours. 4 hours over
Yeah, but what we're by the time it's 1 o'clock, we'll already have a big chunk of this done.
Oh yeah.
So anyway.
We had a truckload of toys. Literally.
Two truckloads. At least two. Plastic toys. Got a box. Got 2 couches. Got that couch and got this couch. This wooden couch is going to be redone and have some nice outdoor cushions put on it. Got a little exercise bench. I got that blue-in insulation stuff. I'll be taking that to the house. Put it out in the shed. This thing stays. I know it. But luckily there's nothing forward, you know, to where I'm at right now. I mean, closer, you know, front.
I like to see this thing.
Yeah. Yeah. But we're gonna knock this out today. It'll be done.
Oh yeah.
Everything will be out of here. Everything will be out that's mine to take out. Anything that was here when I moved in will stay. So, all right. Oh, that was my dad's.
That's made out of wood?
Yeah, well, it's balsa wood, which is a very light wood, yeah.
Oh, it's got the wheels on it.
Yeah. I got another one stashed over there somewhere. Yeah. We're putting a dent in it. We can clean. I'm talking to my phone again.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I do that sometimes.
Mr. Director.
Putting a dent in it. A little bit. Yeah? All right. I know it. Been working on it. Got a lot of stuff out of the top up there. Made a big dent through all this. That room's totally emptied. Cleaned up. Well, except for that stuff. That stuff I think was here when we moved in. Got a big dent in this area. Bunch of stuff gone and moved. Get things out of this cabinet. Get them on the truck. Got some things that were damaged from moisture from sitting on the concrete. I'm going through those and getting rid of things that need gotten rid of. But you can tell up there how I've made a big dent in all that. Big dent. So we keep moving like this and we're going to be done before long. I'm going to say we're going to be done before the sun goes down, but I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. Hey, my dartboard. Ooh. Okay. But this big giant shelf stays. You know, things like that was already here when I moved in. Odds and ends. Anything that was mine or that me or anybody associated with me brought in, then all that will be gone. These shelves will be moved here in just a little bit. All right, it's a good update. I've narrowed it down. I've gotten rid of 2 truckloads worth of stuff. Just absolutely gotten rid of things. So I've narrowed it down to this, but I've still got about that much more to put in there, which is fine. I have stuff that's going over to where my office is. This stuff will go upstairs on the 3rd floor and those 2 back rooms that I call my office. Whew. And my space camp cabinet. Whew, I tell you, it's like walking into a cave. I've got that corner there to put in. I get that corner put in, and plus a few little items up there. And then I've got everything that's on these shelves. I'm going to be narrowing down some of this as well to be putting in my office. I am soaked. My socks are soaked. The inside of my shoes are soaked. My underwear is soaked. What hair I have is soaked. My t-shirt's soaked. My back's soaked. My underwear's soaked. Everything's soaked. Soaking in sweat. Yuck. Yeah. It's hot and humid. And the mosquito, or not the mosquitoes, but the wasps keep flying around bugging me. Can you see them back there? Oh, there's a breeze. Ah, there's a breeze coming through. All right, let me get busy. Got a lot to do. Getting ready to put this thing on the truck. And then I'm gonna shut that. I'm gonna lock this up, and we're gonna take the truck over to the other building. And, ooh. Silhouette. Whew. Johnny and I decided to take a break. It's time for another gallon of Gatorade. This orange Gatorade, John. I know it is great. Oh. I believe I could live off of Gatorade. I've been working. Johnny's been working too. We've just been doing a little slightly different work. Johnny's been hauling stuff over, putting it in a pile out front, and I've been cleaning and picking out what needs to go in the truck and putting stuff on the truck and squishing spiders. I've squished probably 5 big spiders.
Really?
Yeah.
Are they brown?
I don't know what they were. They were just spiders. So I squished them. Whew. I'm gonna have to put that truckload of stuff in here. Doesn't look like I have room, does it? I got a stack of stuff to need to get out of here too. My gosh. I swear. What's Monkey got to say? Excuse me. Hey, Monkey. This is the other side of my office, the other room. Through that door is where my office is. Through that door. Through that door. So this is my second office. It's where we're putting stuff. I swear, it's a giant puzzle. And I'm hot. Tired and hot. Whew, love that fan. We're taking a break because we're hungry. Look at that. Got me Fanta orange drink, some chips, and a foot-long sandwich. Foot-long sandwich.